Hello and welcome to a Rus Virtual Solutions video. My name's Joe Finlayson and I'm the product specialist for Rus Virtual Solutions. Right now I'm going to show you a workflow enhancement that we can use for pre-production and also for design, so when you're designing your levels. So in my hand I have an Xbox controller. This could be any controller at all. And the way we're going to use this is we're going to break from tracking and show you how we can use a virtual camera or what can be a free roaming camera. We can also create virtual moves and look around the set with this. So right now I'm going to press the Y key at the top. Now I've just broke from tracking and you can see I can move around. We have a blend set up, so it blends straight back to tracking here. So if I hit the blend now, I can press Y, and now we've just created a very simple, super easy camera fly. You probably wouldn't use this on air, but it's really good for things like showing the director or the producer around the set. So right now, if I want to say, have a look at a specific part of the set, so if you want to check out the reflections on the screen, if you wanted to say, how does the window take the lens flares, or how's the reflectivity of it, you can do that. We can fly out into our crazy world here and just take a look at how everything looks. So yeah, it's a very powerful tool in terms of the way that it enhances your production, the way you can use this to show people how the set before you go live, or to just kind of to use it to design, to look around and to see how everything's looking. So I'm just going to fly back in. Here I come. And that's how we use this. And I'm just going to show you now what the actual blueprint looks like and how we can use this in terms of, there's a few parameters that I'd like to go through real quick. So I'm just going to come to the computer. Okay, so on the computer here, we can see that we have exposed a bunch of different parameters for you to change, and this is for your ease of use. So you can change the movement speed, so this is how fast the axes turn at. The look sensitivity does the similar thing. That's based upon the axis that you're turning. The blend back to track time, so this is how long it takes for the camera to blend back to the tracking camera. And then we can change our input type here. So you can see we can use the keyboard, the gamepad, the mouse, or we can disable this if you don't want to use it. So we have keyboard set up here, keyboard and mouse, and these are the keys. It's the same ones that you would expect from playing a computer game, so your WASDs. And then also we can define which gamepad commands you can use. So for example, if you prefer a D-pad to a joystick, you can change it from that to that. And yeah, it's just a super powerful, super easy to use tool. And this will ship with Voyager 4.0. So yeah, if you have any more questions, please feel free to get in touch with us at Rus Video here, and we can take you through anything.